concern sa no mu gome wa we ni ya o bia ja o and listen we ne gbe mana mo bo re mani bu wa gbo bi ere kan go le lo dere abi wa okay wa re bere na we odiyan ipaso dere ipase ya wa you nu ga yan ni wa we no una Ugwa no we do paji unu gwa no ma unu bet me ga be my lady with all due respect and I'm telling you enough is enough. Walking egui edede because I say I love her you think I call her always. I don't. I have time. I don't have time. My time is for a call me receive it there. It's more than enough for me. It do ate one or week. Imagine no yaru obitu. It do ate no totally igweta. Di winere me mi o tene gbe me fun ya. Elogo bun ayo logo e koko yo mere mu pa na ve akpe me kin aba all those online problems you people should let me be what do you why wo we are you why o wa gbon wa gbe ballon egbe or rudu o ga be ba we ni ebe zin gbe kere ni ebe nwa or pretending wo ga be wona bono this wa we bono expire na bi wa say blessed memory later bi anti ege ukeke you know je we ofekere ukere o no mami go ya debo o we boiro negina gun egwan you people should let them be pasobiere wa bego re wo le mabi wa be bege wo kule mo de wa say this why it finally why it you know gayane so be it lare o mi ano watakpa wa le gbe esun na ma mi ba gbon de e wa gbe no pa bari abi wa hu e ba wa ma hu e ne a me ga yin egui o e de gui unu ya to wo mi eyin wa te ka mo ko no pa yin won mere but ko ni we gbero mama na ma egbejo mama na ya mi wo ege sege no ya ri ene gbe mo no kan we to aminu kun you take a waka soja go soja come eri ya go agun o egui ra me egui eri ya go agun eri owo amo se na country gbe o e ti gba je eri o mo no mi ne o la pe o irinu bet uga ya gekenu kede egbeja agun mi upopo ege atemu cause omo na egbeja eyin mehin if you be so I don't want anything that will disturb me emotionally, physically or otherwise. I don't want it. You bringing me people's issue is a total disturbance to me. You are bugging me. That is physical abuse. Working. I be emotional abuse. Abuse today, ya man no. Working. I am FAO, not FAICC. Not FAICC. FAO, or we don't have any see. Na cry to love person, he keep person. If friend did not work, he go back. Then they die put and so. Do you know how many men are there dying to have her as a wife? What's your problem? She's not a liability for crying out loud. Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you sick upstairs? She's not a liability. Do you know how many men are out there dying to have her as a wife? Do you know? Does it you way call me or you way the no son to call me? Listen well. Now everybody when you don't friends, now you marry. If not for the fact that everything cast on social media. Now a pass she takes out to the friend ma. Odema galala would be no ya gbon. Erunana we na re mo na sausage. Where there is no way. Ebo no queen motor reverse you. What's a jaffe for you do pun la reverse. You get out of here. To abia when you ya gwalebe. The way we my way maybe no dead no or in my or what I good or bad. It don't happen. To I be then we are you here myself, my lady self. Who are you here by the way? Let me talk to you as a person. If I say I love you with everything within me. What is it? I cannot talk to you in what that be in back behind door. Let me talk to you for once. What is it? I'm not telling you back at no. There had always been a time. No, now they are here. I understand perfectly well. I'm your one and agree. Although I'm a perfectly well understood. But if it's beyond your limits, beyond your control, people are not bugging me, seeing it. Now, so, my sister, you are still too young for that. You're too young for that burden. What's it? What's it? Do you know how many people that want to have you as a wife? Do you know? Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. No lose guard yourself than yourself. De gweji. Osa jiwene. Agwena yo moka unwemo. Oyiwe maiko ube zeje. Omano yeti liye ani befi ana wano si koyi. O zeje. Agwena we tire we manawe hewe dono baje. At least akewe kiten ero ojogbe. Ave kawe. Enu ayam we last. What is it? I workman everybody needs a partner. I mean, when you go got say why do ulene uneleve no vie no January wegbenu. I mean one enemy no jodo. Are you all right? Do you think it's easy to stay all by yourself, do the thinking, do the conclusion, and do the talking? Are you okay? Are you okay? Okoni we yoko mama. Wagare na ugbo. Wagwi wo wa. Okay, no here na public relationship, you know. Wagwi. What dafu wa me agwi de. Wagu so amma wa girlfriend do dafu wa da. What problem wa? Unu wa dafu wa in a month to so dafu wa sike gbebo. Na come on for road for me man talk to better people. Nonsense elements. Ave gwandus. Ave sebeke, we no ka go gbako. O we no ma we sebeke. What problem wa? I want me to put you to work in Waji. Gigi, or that gigi, well, I will kere now, dog get a kere, what mene, Ireva, and then I saw my home. Wallet gigi, Mela way. We are at that way. I want not winning a no way I go. You know that's no joy, so ya, sir. Chop my way in Musegino. Walking. Very annoying online in-laws. Very annoying. Waiting no do now they wanna put. Waga finally why DNA. Okay. You people should let her be. Give her breathing space. Let her rephrase her life. Let her go for rehabilitation. Yes. It's heartbroken. Yes. Do you know what it means? You've dated a person for weeks, days, months. You're used to the person. At the tail end, is not working out. Do you know what it takes? Especially when it's publicized. It's painful, I know. Yes, and so. Now, get my master navia. Any case they were worse past the one savage case. There may be where a team may not be a working. My brother Baba, Egui. Now what time for once? Talk a little on you. Hey, Mona. How many women for this abroad go feel come and say, yes, you want to go Zenyu? Atinya be we church nyajo. We rest the days of day say here the shift here the winner. Oh here the always Saturday night. Oh we are in a night with Saturday now. Sunday I say oh we ni was give. Okay we your church is open. Here jo yam money ni yam mo yare aseke. Wana ga eviare amoka. Yam mo yare ya. Unu ikwo we bona me dey ask una verbally ulu. Una think say as that lady or some be so the call and say wado no when no choose wa we bono no good and fine. Me I not there for good and fine. Anything anybody know me take the help yourself. I agree. Wa we eto we be gun na iji munu po agbera abani. Iye self employed agbera abani. Employee how you pay me. Oh God, be serious for once. But all the same, no problem. Why we tell you no problem. I okay. I ngagele not an ravi viva amona makoyo dogele rorion okay. Let me do with the two of them. Oh now dovin me hatie emi wan hatie na yeah. Ona even mi wa na ge no ria na ge no ye bogwa legbe na ge no jugu be mi amedu me gbe kian imaka yan we o be ni mi je be ni do be ni mi be drama editana be ni mi je editana. Are you getting it? Lucky your West. Today I'm not in that good mood at all. At the first, as I talk to you so. I not thought anybody marry 4 or 6 wives. You people should just let me be. Let him continue with his wife. So be it. They should let Esther be. That is what I am saying. That was what you were writing few days back, isn't it? Esther is just walk by, not by never. They should let her be. Nobody should call me. Nobody should send me any stupid video clip. I'm not a blogger. I don't blog. I only do my talking. I'm not a presenter. I do my talking. I do my talking. So I see no reason why people will give me sleepless night for another person issue. Now cry say person love person. Yes, not be crying, and I'm not ashamed to say it to the full wide world. I love her. I extended her daughter's love to her. Yes. Come reconcile. I stand by her. I stand with her. I stand for her. I can never be against her. But that will not mean say if she the error. Man, not correct her. I go still tell her. That is me for you. But in this aspect, she never the error. The only pressure for error now, as it be so, my sister, bah, to akba, bah. Gama kokota vo efwa begbe. Voki. Voki. Omana gie, Omas omana vie. Nonsense. Omana gie, Omas omana vie. On your be 1 week, you know. Or your body, you body, away, you without a jogger, be okay, that okay. One day, no sense gune. One of the be money tigune. Kefe kakatu wayamwe. He got his screenshot him with money agune amwe bugwa because any rana is say oh he when oh he when he when say oh be ama gune are on no no biele. I know carry small. The time when you carry your own heavy, maybe I take my own small. As me carry my own, so you carry small after all. Now wait till I say me happen, it don't happen. So you guys are on the winning side. I agree. Now not say me they agree for everything. Yes, I perfectly stand with you guys. I'm not there for mago. No, I perfectly, sincerely stand with you guys. You guys are leading. Okay, good and fine. Good and fine, but they should let her be. They should let her be. All those irrelevant calls shouldn't come up this time. It's not useful. It's not helpful. It got nothing, absolutely nothing to do for her at the moment. I don't care any kiss she got. I don't care. I really do not care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't want to care about anybody. What is it? Walking. We are here igualon. You are not fair with igualon, my lady. A man that will give you peace, that can showcase you. Come reconcile. A man that will be proud to have you. Walking. I went at it's the truth. It's the truth. It's the truth. Just like when you are married, you are married poor. You are married poor. Nonsense. Very annoying. Very annoying. Me be no ka be ni. E wo yin bi le mo just dey oro yan po fiara. Awa mi agata le na so we what of you why you never find over. Wasi me. That gbonre. We ka am wa omo me ibie. Wasi me. Dey momo de gba gunme gogo. Nobody should ask me stupid questions. I owe nobody explanation. Voki. Can I get one up bag on a woo? We may go on. We don't give me no wrong. Can I get one up bag on a woo? You are born, I say. You are betting. Oh, my lie. Emotionally, you just be going down the dragon where I drain it away. Emotionally, do you know what it takes? Do you know what it takes? Marriage not a break. Talk less or ordinary relationship in a way. Not be here for the talk and say, "Salo boy get soon." I will have instrument in na yako. Ati wewa. Kena mana mabia yo na mana na rekpa. Who do they take a waka? If the stress, if the body heat, if the emotional disturbance, emotional wadu is becoming too much, you take a waka. If you think, listen, if you think, say, why they even read your comment? Why they see your, I don't did that mood today. I just they tell you my mind. I don't want to offend you. I don't want to offend any fake account or anybody. But I don't did that mood at all. I don't really did that mood. I don't care. What me they find for the social media? What everybody they find for there? Who they go there, go they play? She not get work. You don't ever see and say one wood they don't they carry for part. Yes, God not they come down, come help person. The same person come. I really respect you for that, sir. And you in fact you've done well, massively well. Or we on one or your one on ba on one or your one any cow. On one always your one any gi. And you have done massively well. You have done well. Like according to your name, yes, you have done well. You have done well, and I have ever and always show gratitude for that. Even on behalf of her, I do it. I say it everywhere now and then. You have done massively well. We'll all understand. But the truth is still remain the same. I love you too, sweetheart. The truth still remains the same. Even if it doesn't work well, good. It's not a do or die affair. It's not a must do. Everybody should go their separate ways. Or not son in me, or you walking men or wrong with me. I'm telling you. I mean, we all understand. And why are we? It would have been so obvious for people to be bugging my life. It wouldn't have been so obvious. Because people expected it from you guys yesterday as well. But it wasn't forthcoming. What do you expect them to think? You both are rivals. Rivals you are. Everybody, can I do that way? Oh, in my home. As you say you get one picking, I say with him planning. We not get choice, we not go a med. Why cool? I'm gonna hear 1 year why me baby why me bed the dance never as it was in the beginning. But you not born put. You not born put. You not born put. Now make the other thing critical so. They will settle. Fine, good and fine. I never said they will not settle, Mommy Tasha. They have all right to settle. But friends today, enemy tomorrow. Is that good? Of what use is that? Eh? Of what use is that? Of what use, I repeat, is that, Mommy Tasha? Of what use is that? It's not a thing of eternity. I bet I'm gonna leave my Rosemary Obase when everywhere you did. Mary Obase prepare a good meal yesterday. Why do I get a tortilla and phone my bossy? Why do I get a sebeke and phone my bossy? But let me try to joke apart. Those things like that really, it easily pissed me off. I don't get heart to carry that thing. True to God, I don't get heart. If I stumble into it myself, okay, let me do the viewing. But wait, you trigger me already. I will want to see what's so special about this thing. What's there? What's there? When was on let's say call no why I'm on a now. Me no mama no by now again anyway mu. Your prayer has come to pass. Then what are you know? Hey, mama, come on, my love is then what are you know? Okay. I mean, when I go and I want dollar. That dollar, and I mean the third person say, if relationship no work, let friendship continue. And I will marry on reaction.